Hello everyone, welcome to the Keep Productive YouTube channel. Today we'll be reviewing an application called Gooba 3. It's a note-taking application that's making a few waves in the space as a simple note-taking application, as well as blending in some task management function. So guys, that's what we're doing in today's video. So guys, today's video we are diving into Gooba 3. Gooba 3 has been on the market for around about a year now, launched in late 2018. It has made an addition and we actually added it to the Evernote alternatives list based on its projected efforts. Now they emailed me back in December 2017 and I totally forgot to reply, but again this is an application that re-released its edition, third edition, in September 2018. Now the application is broken into two core areas, the notes and the tasks. Notes is locked under the creator plan, which is $3.99. So a lot of this app is hidden behind that fee, just so you know before we get started. And as you can imagine, obviously that's not a recurring fee, but again, it's holding up by money. The notes experience is fairly simple. You can create folders under the creator plan too, and once you create these folders you can store notes under them. Notes are really simple notes. They can be text formatted of course, and you can also change the color, add images, and also lock, pin them from the note itself, which is very helpful. Definitely that encryption is very useful. Now, as you can imagine, the folders are really a good way to organize your notes. So again, it's a bonus. You can pin or star different notes to your priority section, which helps you to access them a little faster. Once you're creating notes, you can actually create a task from there, which is pretty easy. But again, you need to have the creator plan to do that. Now the task side of stuff is really simple too. You've got all tasks today and completed to see your completed items, and all the tasks have reminders too. Task creation is pretty easy too. Once you create the title, you can add the reminder and exact details of the time and information on that, and you can even group your tasks into different projects or activities, so it's quite helpful. Inside settings, you've got dark mode and light mode, which makes it pretty accessible. This application and design definitely reminds me of Things 3, but it sort of blends that sort of design with Agenda, I think. But again, it does not have the advanced abilities of Agenda just yet. This application does have some unique features, although at the moment it's very basic. I think the pin protection is a great thing, something that Evernote doesn't have just yet. So as you can imagine, you can use universal search, and there is a whole host of settings to change some of the appearances, font, and details like that. Now the creator plan does unlock all of the features like folders, protected notes, Apple Watch apps, and the task section, as well as external backup. And it's a one-off fee, which is quite good, and $3.99 really isn't going to break the bank. But again, it really depends on whether you're going to invest in this application. Now the application is currently available on iOS and watchOS right now. It is coming in early 2019 to Android and macOS in the summer of 2019. They're stating that in late 2019, the web edition will be available. So it looks like this company has an idea for what they're doing. And that's one of the main reasons why I included them in the Evernote alternatives, because I do see this application spanning out. Now it's well designed, it's simple to use, and it really will get you to where you need to be in terms of taking notes, but I wouldn't really recommend this for the advanced note taker. I'd say it's a great starting point for a lot of people that want to come out of Apple Notes. Anyway guys, a big thanks for stopping by today. Hopefully you enjoyed this review of Gooba Notes, and I'll see you guys in a future video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you're brand new, do subscribe, because it'd be great to have you here in the Keep Productive community. Anyway guys, make sure to have a great week, keep productive, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Cheers.